Happy Monday, guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. NIO's ES8 hits a record production efficiency. Lowest wait time signals mature high volume phase. This will be the topic of my video today. NIO's flagship and best-selling model, the ES8, has achieved its shortest delivery wait time since the third generation model launch 7 months ago. You heard that right. According to the company's configurator page today, customers in China now face a wait time of just 1 to 2 weeks, a dramatic reduction from the 24 to 26 weeks seen at its September debut. For NIO shareholders, this development is a powerful indicator of the company's maturation. The 92% compression in wait times from up to 26 weeks to as few as 1 shows that NIO has successfully cleared its initial backlog of over 100,000 firm orders and has entered a phase of sustainable high volume production that directly matches market demand. Before going forward with this video, guys, I'd like to remind some of you all to hit that thumbs up right there. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. But anyway, a methodical and successful production ramp. The timeline has contracted in steadily weekly increments, demonstrating flawless execution in manufacturing scale-up. For example, late September, it was 24 to 26 weeks. Early March, 3 to 4 weeks. April 27th, 1 to 2 weeks. New orders are now being scheduled at the direct cadence of NIO's production line, the ideal state for any automaker. This is not a sign of slowing demand, but rather a testament to NIO's ability to rapidly expand capacity without compromising quality. The underlying delivery data confirms the strength of the ES8 franchise. After launching in September 2025, the ES8 reached a peak of 22,258 deliveries in December, making it China's best-selling SUV in the 400,000 yuan or $58,500 segment that month. Despite temporary industry-wide factors like the Chinese New Year and a minor chip shortage in early 2026, March deliveries rebounded strongly by 44% to 16,225 units. Most importantly, the ES8 is a profitability anchor for NIO. Co-founder Qin Li Hong confirmed a 20% gross margin on the new ES8 with an average selling price above 400,000 yuan. This translates to roughly 11,700 in gross profit per vehicle. Do you guys know how much Tesla, Xiaomi, XPeng, BYD has to sell to equate to that? Since launch, the ES8 alone has generated over $834 million in cumulative gross profit. This directly fueled NIO's overall vehicle margin, reaching 18.1% in Q4, a 5 percentage point increase driven primarily by the ES8 mix. In early March, NIO launched a strategic incentive package, including a purchase tax subsidy and low-interest financing. Far from being a sign of trouble, this move triggered the highest weekly order level for the group so far in 2026. According to Deutsche Bank, crucially, wait times have continued to fall every week since, indicating that NIO's production increase is confidently absorbing even the surge in new orders. Shareholders should view the upcoming ES9 deliveries, which begins on June the 1st, not as a threat, but as an expansion of NIO's flagship portfolio with high margins yet again. Any typical pre-launch order pattern shifts are natural for a multi-model luxury brand. The S9 introduces a 900-volt architecture with ultra-fast charging, targeting a different segment of premium SUV buyers. NIO is moving from a single-pillar success ES8 to a broader luxury SUV family, a classic strategy for margin growth. Production mastery achieved. The lowest wait time proves NEO has solved manufacturing bottlenecks, moving from launch mode to steady state production. High margin volume secured, the ES8 is delivering 20% margin units at a scale, directly supporting profitability. Demand is sustainable, incentives are generating record orders, and backlog clearing means faster cash conversion. It's a platform for growth. With the ES8 as a stable foundation, NEO can confidently launch the ES9 and other models without overstressing production. As NEO prepares to report Q1 2026 results in late May, with Q1 deliveries already up 98.3% year over year to 83,465 units, the ES8's lightning fast 1 to 2 week wait time sends a clear message. NEO has transitioned from a scrappy startup fighting bottlenecks to a mature, high-margin luxury automaker offering at full efficiency. For shareholders, this is the definition of operational de-risking and a direct path to sustainable profitability. So I hope you guys found this video yet again on a Monday to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, boop, boop, don't forget to hit the thumbs up right there, right there, right there. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.